Okay, today we're going to be following the blog post Top 50 Ggplot Visualizations, which will be linked below. And by the end of this video, you will be able to make this plot. A reminder, this is all information I found online. I am reusing their script, but I'm going to explain it for you to understand how to use it as well. So in last week's video, we used the jitter function to eliminate overlapping points so you can see every point of your data on a plot, and the graph looked like this. Now, what if you wanted to not use the jitter function? What's another way you could show overlapping points or portray to your audience that there are more overlapping points, say here versus here versus here, etc.? How could you do that? Well, you could use a count chart, which is another way to fix the issue of overlapping data. So wherever there are more overlapping points, the size of the circle gets bigger. Again, we're using the MPG data set. And we're going to look at city mileage versus highway mileage. Using the geom count function, we can select your color. I would encourage you to consider colorblind friendly colors, but for this, we're going to use tomato 3 since it's the only color on here. Show legend false, and this is your label. So reminder, up here we're looking at city mileage versus highway mileage. The jitter function removes the overlapping points. The geom count will increase the point size where there are more overlapping points present. So if we run it, you get this figure here. So you can see areas where there are more points overlapping versus out here, there are fewer. This might be a single count. This might be multiple counts. This is allowing you to elucidate your data in a little bit of a different fashion from the jitter function. Stay tuned next week when we go through a bubble plot.